Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on autosave to memories on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click here on this here, and now click. You will find autosave to memories. Click on it, and this will be turned on. That's how to turn on autosave to memories on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.